I am the assembly manager at Morven Glulam. That makes it my responsibility to carry out the assembly. Well, the way I work is to try to picture how the job should be carried out. You could say a film is running in my head, imagining how we are going to do things. The worst that could happen is that someone gets injured or falls off something. The first building I worked on was actually the Viking ship. I think it was the autumn of '91. Well, it's been a steep learning curve and a lot of interesting stuff. The columns are made with ready drilled holes at the Glulam factory in Morven. But all the assembly is done at the construction site. When the assembly is done, we lift 4 to 5 storages in one piece. I am not discrediting what was done before, but I think the accuracy of what is done now is much higher than previously. When the wind bears down on the tower, I've heard the stretching forces, the lift on a corner column. I've heard both 500 and 700 tons. It really is an interesting project. It's great someone has the guts. I mean, build the world's tallest building in Brumunddal. It's not as if the world revolves around Brumunddal, although those who live there might like to think so. There are plenty of other nice sites for a tower like that. So that's actually quite impressive.